Well, here's a quick update. I did a test. I've been running the stuff. I've got it in my logbook. I was running at 9 volts on the high end, and then 9.6. I took it down to 9.0, or no, took it up to 10 volts on the high end, 735 on the low end. I had some light smoke, and then at 60 miles an hour we got medium, a nice some smoke, and then more and more and more as you go up. And I did a smoke check on everything, and I had to make a change on my outlet location. I just put it in the center. I know that means the manifold is going to get a little bigger, but we can make this manifold fit. I already tested how it works up there, and I can make it go like that or whatever. We've got lots of room. I've got this down to about 36 millimeters, and I have 40, so I should have plenty of room. I went ahead and made changes to the design, and then I took the template, the part that I print, and then I make a new fiberglass lid. I went ahead and put the stack in, so the stack is what I'll trim it down, but that's what's going to go in here like that. This will be up on the roof. This will slide in. These are my temporary wiring to the heater coil. I just wanted to show you one other thing. I've made the adapter and modified the housing so that I'm grabbing the smoke and I'm lifting the entire engine with the smoke. So the smoke is bolted in. It's not going to rattle and get in trouble with anybody or anything. It is going to be pretty darn close to where it needs to be for that outlet. See at the top there, it's going to be a very short run over. Should be in good shape that way. And I'm printing the other parts. I'm going to print a new base. I had to do some offsets. I'm printing a new housing because I made some changes to the height. The new housing is printing now, and while it's printing and I'm kind of done with the lid and I'm waiting on other parts, I'm going to go ahead and start packaging the volt regulators here on the back for the smoke control. Once I get that done, I'm going to bring over the sound system, put the sound here, try to fit the speaker on top if there's room, and then start looking at finishing the smoke with the new parts, and then trying to tidy up all the wiring so that it will slide into the engine shell. But I'll do a live test on the track before I do that. I didn't change the wheels yet. I might. I don't know. I didn't add any more. I can't add any more. I put it on because I just wanted to, but I didn't add any more pickups because these are rubber. It won't work. I'm half thinking change them, half not. Don't know what I'm going to do yet. But in general, it's working really good. There's one direction. Yeah, it's, right. I ask it to do something for you guys and it sticks on me. There's the other direction. There we go. It's not level, maybe that's what it is. I don't know. It will change direction, and it does smoke and all that stuff. So, oh, it's unplugged. That's why it's not smoking. So we're closer. I had the whole day yesterday was shot, just terrible. But everything worked out, and I'm back, so we're good. Okay, fill you in. If I try to get more done, I only have 45 minutes. I don't know if I'll get much done, but I'll try. If not, if I do, I'll post another quickie. All right, later, gang.